to my beautiful kitchen that my daughters redid for me like 2 months ago, and I keep doing videos of it and saying I don't like it and not talking about it. So this time I'm really gonna show you the kitchen, and we'll have a little conversation, and we're gonna cook something. So here's the kitchen, and they redid it and put a lot of time and money into it. They also got me a new microwave to match, and all these shelves and things to organize, and we got some sparkle lights over there, and they painted it, the kitchen, because it was orange and blue and kind of dark and sad, so it's purple now. And the so that's the cupboards down there are gray, and the walls are purple. And the what are these? Cupboards are purple, and Jenna, my daughter Jenna, hand painted those on, and we got some sparkles, and they got me a new stove to match my fridge, of course, which is stainless steel. And we've got, you know, and then oh, and they got me this cool trash can. Where's that? Right there. I'm trying to point at it. I'm bad at this. And yeah, so it gets rid of Joseph's nasty diaper smell, and then when you open it, like, it wafts through the house, and like you just want to barf. And here I've got all my spices organized. These are not all of, whoa, shit. Shit. These are not all of my spices. I've got a shit ton of spices. And then more organizations, more spices. Trying to keep my phone from falling. I'll be sad. And party LED lights. They change colors and whatnot. More spices and junk food and shit. I don't eat that junk food. That's Joe's junk food. And then over there is my bread box that I was excited to have. And I like that color. I like how everything is just so cute.